Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Sharif Azizi bin Muhammad Khalidi from the Bachelor of Surveying Science and Geometry program. I will be presenting my final year project, which is determination of autometric height at my Articanet station using GNSS leveling approach. This video for Geomatics Research Innovation Competition, GRID 2026. This research focus on determining reliable autometric height value from my Articanet station using the GNSS leveling approach. GNSS leveling has become an efficient alternative to conventional spirit leveling because it's faster, less labor intensive, and more cost effective. The automatic height can be determined using the equation h equal to h ellipsoidal height minus width and jet undulation. Although Japan Circular 6 2021 introduced the use of my Articanet station for GNSS leveling, this station currently only provide ellipsoidal height but not have official automatic height value. According to Japan Circular 6 2021, automatic height can be transferred from my Articanet station to establish the new station or temporary benchmark. However, this creates limitation because my Articanet station themselves do not have automatic height values. As a result, the reliability of the transferred automatic height from this station cannot be established for time being. The aim for this study is to determine the reliability of the automatic height at the My Articanet station using GNSS leveling approach. This study has two objectives, which is first to analyze the accuracy of the automatic height based on the processing interval and observation period. Second is to evaluate the transferred automatic height to the My Articanet station. The first phase of the research methodology is the planning. This includes reviewing previous studies, identify the research area and selecting suitable standard benchmark and my Articanet station for this observation. This step ensures that the selected station were suitable for reliable GNSS leveling analysis. During the second phase, field observation were conducted. 4 standard benchmarks with non-automatic height were used as a reference station. GNSS static observation were carried out between the standard benchmark and the 3 My Articanet station, which is Station Arau, Station KKBK and Station UAM, with the total observation during this study is 7 hours. Next, GNSS observation were processed using the two different observation intervals, which were 1 second and 30 seconds. The observation data also divided into several processing periods, ranging from 2 hours until 6 hours. This allows the effect of the observation period and interval on the final automatic height that can be evaluated. Finally, the automatic height were determined using the different approach. First approach calculate the average without weighting, while the second apply the weighted mean based on the inverse distance. The result from both approaches were then compared to identify the most consistent and reliable automatic height value. For the result and discussion, the first analysis compare the observation intervals. The result indicates the 30-second interval consistently produce slightly better horizontal precision, vertical precision, and standard deviation compared to the 1-second interval. Although the difference are relatively same, the 30-second interval provide more stable positioning result while reducing unnecessary volume data. Therefore, the 30-second interval is considered the better processing interval for this study. The next analysis evaluates different observation periods by comparing them with the 7-hour reference solution. The graph shows that the 4-hour observation period consistently produces smaller height difference across the most standard benchmark. That indicates that the longer observation can improve the automatic height difference for the mine Atikinate station. Therefore, the 4-hour observation period offer a good balance between accuracy and survey efficiency. This slide compare the result obtained with and without the weighted mean approach. This weighted mean method consistently produces smaller standard deviation values, indicating more consistent autometric height estimate. This improvement is achieved because the weighted mean gives greater influence to observation from shorter baseline, which is generally have better positional quality. Therefore, the weighted mean approach improves the reliability of the final automatic height. Based on the weighted mean approach, the final automatic height at the UMK station remain very consistent across different observation periods. These findings show that the weighted mean method is suitable for determining reliable automatic height at mine Atikinate station. In conclusion, this study successfully evaluated the automatic height of selected mine Atikinate station using the GNSS labeling approach. The findings indicate that a 30-second processing interval, a 4-hour observation period, and the weighted mean method provide the most consistent and reliable automatic height value. It is recommended that future studies include more mine Atikinate stations across Malaysia and evaluate additional GNSS constellations for further improve the reliability of the automatic height determination. That's all. Thank you.